Hello beautiful women, I'm Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are reinventing themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to another video which is going to help you elevate your everyday style. And in today's video, we are going to talk about 7 style mistakes that you need to stop making in 2023. Now remember, some of the mistakes that you might resonate with and some you might don't, and there is no problem at all. I always say, follow them as guidelines and you do you. But there might be some that are actual facts, so please make sure that you try to follow them because I want each one of you to look absolutely stunning and confident. So let's start with number 1. The first important thing to remember, and this mistake is a fact that I see all the women all the time making, wearing the wrong size of bra. Now the bra or your lingerie is the building block for your outfit. If that goes wrong, your entire outfit can go for a toss. Imagine wearing a bra that causes back rolls and wearing a fitted dress with it that just completely ruins it, or wearing a smaller cup that can be visible through your tops. Remember, if you're somebody who has gained weight or if somebody who hasn't got the bra size checked, it's your sign. Please go to an executive at a lingerie store, get your bra size checked and start wearing the right bra. Now once you start doing it, you will realize how neat your outfits can look without putting too much of an effort. Especially women with round stomachs. If you do not wear the right bra, your stomach and your breast can actually look like one. So make sure you're choosing the right size of bra and wearing right bra under right tops. So make sure you're fixing your lingerie. Another style mistake that I see women making all the time. Now this is one of the mistakes that you might agree or you might not. But in my opinion, it's 2023 and you should stop wearing leggings with flowy tops. They are not at all flattering. Leggings alone can look very dated. So even if you want to wear leggings, I would say switch from flowy tops and add a little bit of shirt that can give you more length, create more structure, add a little bit of heels so that you're looking more neater. Flowy tops and leggings together is a big no-no, and I would say give it a pass in 2023. Another style or fashion mistake that again I have seen a lot, but trust me when I say this, this is a fact. Women not giving importance to grooming. Absolutely, you heard me right. You can wear the best outfit in the world, but if you're not groomed enough, the outfit won't work for you. Listen up girls, really focus on your grooming. A basic outfit can instantly look elevated with the right kind of grooming. Extra focus on your hair. Remember, your hair can make or break your look. So make sure while you're dressing up, your grooming is on point because sometimes the outfit can actually look very shabby if your grooming is not on point. So give yourself some extra love, go get yourself groomed, more focus on your hair and you will see a neat outfit every time you're stepping out. Mistake number 4. Now this is one of the mistakes that I have never understood and I fail to understand why would somebody do that. Wearing skinny jeans with your sports shoes. Now some outfits can actually might work with your sports shoes, maybe like wearing shorts or something more casual. But when it comes to skinny jeans or even wide leg jeans, sports shoes can completely ruin your look. They are not meant for your everyday clothing. It's making you look really outdated. Leave your sports shoes alone for the gym, and if you really want comfort, then trust you me, there are sneakers out there and so many options that you can actually pair with your jeans, with your everyday clothing and look absolutely chic. So make sure you have great sneakers with you that you can mix and match with your different outfits and have comfort and style together. So no sports shoes with your regular jeans. Mistake number 5. Now this is one of the mistakes that I absolutely dread, and when I see a woman doing that, I really want to walk up to her and tell her a solution. But I have it for you. The mistake number 5 is wearing colored or white underwears with your white trousers, or even wearing panties with seam under white trousers. Now trousers are by nature of a little thin fabric that can snug on you. So A, wearing a white underwear, B, wearing a panty with seam can completely put your look down. Instead, Two solutions. Number one, wear a nude underwear while wearing white trousers. Number two, if you think the seams are going to be visible, then opt for seamless panties in nude color or any light color. And number three, if you still feel that the seamless panties are not even working, then trust me, you need the seamless thongs, and you will see how neat the entire outfit looks. It's 2023 and you need to have the right stash for your underwears so that you can wear it with different trousers and not be worried and feel absolutely confident. And like I have said previously, that your lingerie is actually the building block for your outfit. So the right bra and a right underwear is your must-have. Mistake number 6. Now this one you really need to listen up. Wearing short kurtis and leggings, and I cannot put enough emphasis that how we need to stop doing that. Wearing short kurti with leggings that has a little bit of churis happening in the end actually will cut your height and can look really dated. Now understand one simple fact, that sometimes outfits are not just about looking neat or proportionate, it's also about dated and modern. Our eyes get acquainted of looking certain kind of styles, and when we look at something which doesn't look familiar, we start calling it dated. Now kurtis and churidars were a great 10, maybe 15 years back, but not so much right now. It's 2023 and you can style your short kurtis in so many ways. Short kurti with wide leg jeans, short kurti with straight pants, and you can absolutely look fabulous. Then why are you still wearing those short kurtis and leggings and not helping yourself? So please avoid this mistake and style your short kurti in a more chic manner. Mistake number 7. And this mistake, all the women in the world need to stop making. You should stop dressing up for your age. Now, who decides it, and who decides at what age you should be wearing what? And this is what we always teach. Have a clear style agenda. You can wear anything at any age, as long as it's working for your style, it's working for your body. Do not feel the pressure of wearing certain fashions even if you're 18, and do not feel the need of dressing up in neutrals even when you're 60. Dress for your style, embrace your age, and wear whatever you want irrespective of whatever your age is, because age is just a number. If you dress neat, if you dress for your style, if you dress for your body agenda, let me just put it this way, no one cares. So stop putting yourself in the pressure of dressing for your age and wear the clothes that you think works the best for you. Remember, you can wear whatever you want. There is nobody who's going to tell you what to do, what not to do. I, as a personal stylist, am here to help you just to elevate your look. So go ahead, use them as guidelines. Do not have to follow anything that anybody says, because you have to dress up for yourself. But I'm going to teach you how to do that in the best way. That is all for today. Hope you will not make these 7 style mistakes in 2023. And make sure to comment below that what are the other fashion mistakes that we should probably stop doing now. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon for more amazing content. Hit the like button and share it with all your friends. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.